Here's a simple bench I made for friends using some leftover, slightly warped Iroko a good year ago. I appreciate that most people won't have Iroko offcuts lying around, but the same idea works well with sleepers or other suitable timber. The tools and materials I used were minimal: a circular saw, hammer and wood chisel, exterior wood glue, a few screws, and the timber itself. The only thing still missing is rubber spacers or feet to lift the bench off the ground and avoid constant contact with moisture. Underneath, you can see some dark staining. That's tannin washout caused by rain. The same thing happens with oak. It can stain nearby surfaces, but the tannins will wash out over time. Iroko is a beautiful timber, and the color really pops when it's wet or oiled. Designers often prefer to leave it untreated so it can gray naturally, but many clients don't like that. Quite often, they come back after a year or so asking for it to be oiled. Depending on the condition of the wood, that may involve cleaning, sanding, or using products to revive the timber. The best time to oil Iroko is straight after installation, and then annually if you want to maintain the color. But clients often underestimate the cost of labor involved to maintain the oiled bench.